Ndị be anyị ndewonu. Ọ bụ Ada Igbo na-ekwu na Igbo Media. N'Igbo Media, anyị na-ewetara unu ọtụtụ ozi gbasara ihe na-emegasị na Biafra Land, n'ala Igbo na mba ndị ọzọ. N'ụbọchị nke taata, o nwere ihe bịara n'iru akwụkwọ anyị nke anyị ga-agụpụtara unu n'ụbọchị taa. Anyị gụpụtachaa ya, unu egee ya ka ọha n'uju. Ị ga-esie ya, ị drọpụọla your comment, like kwa this our video and gbasakwa ya ka o ruo ụmụnna anyị n'ebe dị iche iche arụ. Ozi anyị wetara unu tata si n'aka otu nwanne anyị nwoke, a Biafra activist. Biko si wetara ya ozi a n'iru akwụkwọ. Ọ dere sị, breaking news: Nnamdi Kanu reacts angrily to the news of the Igbo politician begging Tinubu for his release. Ya bụ ozi ka anyị ji bịa tata na Igbo Media. Ị ga-esi anya bụ ozi, gbaa mbọ gwa ya iche ma mekwa ka ozi arute ụmụnna anyị n'ebe dị iche iche aka. Ngwa gere ya ka ọha n'uju.
Leader Maazị Nnamdi Kanu message to Igbo politicians, those who are seeking or begging the Nigerian government for his release. He has once again sent message to them all, telling them don't beg Nigerian government for my release, that he did not commit any crime. He is innocent. That begging Nigerian government for his release is like accepting defeat, or it's like accepting that he's a criminal or he's a terrorist, or he has committed the offense which they accuse him of. That they should stop all this begging. You know, recently, Governor Oti, Abaribedem, and Ben Kanu, the deputy speaker of the House, all of them hosted Devil Maya, who represented Tinubu during commissioner of I think road or whatever in Abia State, and they used that opportunity, that chance, to send a message to Tinubu through Devil Maya, asking him to release Maazị Nnamdi Kanu. You know, this begging of a thing, for me, to be honest with you, I know this might sound kind of like crazy. For me, it doesn't make anything. It's not gonna change anything. It's not today they have been begging the release of Maazị Nnamdi Kanu. You recall during Amechi Mbazurike or something like that died when Buhari was in power. He took politicians from southeast down to Asorok, begging, kneeling down, Buhari, the dead Buhari, to release Maazị Nnamdi Kanu. Buhari didn't do anything until he died, until he left office. Catholic bishops, so many politicians, they have several times begged for the release of Maazị Nnamdi Kanu. They refuse. Now, these people are calling Tinubu to release Maazị Nnamdi Kanu. Maazị Nnamdi Kanu, these people, they will not release Maazị Nnamdi Kanu. And that's what is making it more kind of like making these people, raising their shoulders. Because when you beg them, when you beg them for release of Maazị Nnamdi Kanu, they will be seeing it like, yes, kind of like posing and all that kind of stuff. They need to demand, put their foot down, demand the release of Maazị Nnamdi Kanu, because Maazị Nnamdi Kanu is innocent. Maazị Nnamdi Kanu, the court found him not guilty. Discharge him. The politicians, if they really want the release of Maazị Nnamdi Kanu, they will be hammering on that Nnamdi Kanu is innocent. They should not go there, start begging or sending message to Tinubu. If they like, let them go there, beg, cry. They will not release Maazị Nnamdi Kanu. They will not release Maazị Nnamdi Kanu. That's one thing that these people are supposed to know. If they want the release of Maazị Nnamdi Kanu, they should put their foot, they should demand it, like Maazị Nnamdi Kanu said. They should demand, not beg. Why are they begging him? Like he's a criminal or he's a terrorist or he has committed offense. They accuse him. If maybe Kanu has committed all the crimes or something, yeah, you are begging, it will be understandable. But Kanu is innocent of all the accusation. The Nigerian government are quickly to go and beg terrorists that are committing crime, that are so many people, negotiating peace with them. Then why the Southeast are begging the government to release someone that is innocent? It doesn't make sense at all. And this thing, I'm saying it like it's a lip service, because so all of them, they are begging or saying that they're calling for Nnamdi Kanu. It's not it's not coming from their heart. They are just there just to make it, to say it, or no. All of them want Nnamdi Kanu to buy there. They want Nnamdi Kanu to stay in detention. Forget about all these things they are coming, deceiving who they want to deceive. Begging. And no amount of begging, crying, if you like, go and bring your dead father, grandfather that died, to beg Tinubu, to beg Nigerian government. They will not listen to you guys. Come on. This begging, how many times have they been begging since Nnamdi Kanu was detained, kidnapped? All this thing is what they're supposed to. Nnamdi Kanu was kidnapped. Nnamdi Kanu was accused of offense that he didn't commit. And they are there begging Tinubu to release Nnamdi Kanu, begging Tinubu to release an innocent person. They should put their foot down, demand the release of Nnamdi Kanu, not begging. They should demand it, that you must release our son, release Nnamdi Kanu, or else this, we will boycott this, or we will do this. But they will not do that because of what they are getting from the federal government. They will not. But rather they will be like making it like they are begging, or they are pushing for the release of Nnamdi Kanu. For me, I don't believe in them. It's not today they have been begging. It's not today they have been coming out telling Biafrans, oh, we are working towards the release of Nnamdi Kanu. Nnamdi Kanu will be released soon. We have asked. Ask what? Please. All this una beg self don't tire me. I'm fed up of all this begging. If truly these politicians, Southeast politicians, which I know this begging is not coming from their hearts, but if really they meant it, they want the release of our leader Nnamdi Kanu, they have so many things they will do. Even just one thing they will do. They will, as they come together like that begging, they should come together, demand the release of Nnamdi Kanu, and give ultimatum. If Nnamdi Kanu is not released today or tomorrow, that as Southeast governors or indigenous people of people from southern part of Nigeria, we will boycott this, or we will do this, or this will happen. You will see the Nigerian government will sit up. But they will not do, never they will do that. Never they will do that. Every time they will come up, they will come and start deceiving who they want to deceive, to calm Biafrans down. Every time begging. Showolu said it. Sowole, or so is it Sowole or something like that. He said it, that these people are coming out deceiving the Igbo people, that they are begging. They're gonna begging for Tinubu. That if they like, let them beg Tinubu, beg Nigerian government. They will not release Nnamdi Kanu. This is agreement signed by Tinubu with the Fulani Caliphate. That's why he was given the presidency, and they will never fail that agreement. So any beg, any whatever will not happen. And that's why Nnamdi Kanu is not happy. He said, don't beg for my release. I do appreciate you guys coming up, want me to release, but you should not beg. Why are you begging? If you are begging, it's like I committed a crime that they accuse me of. You should demand the release of my freedom, not begging. Begging is like you have admitted. Begging is like you have come to them, okay, yes, I have done it. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. But Nnamdi Kanu case is different. He has not committed any offense. He has not done anything wrong. If the Nigerian government can sit down, will sit down, negotiate with terrorist people that buy a lot of people, and begging terrorists so.
Ngwanu, dalo nene no ụmụnne m, dịka unu si na-esoro anyị n'Igbo Media, gịnị ka unu nwere ikwu na nkọwa nke unu gbasịta maka ihe unu nọ n'iru akwụkwọ n'ụbọchị uhuruchi nke taa? Gwa anyị ife iche n'ụdị nke gị, deela ya n'akara kọmentị ka mara ihe i chere, ma chetakwa tụsa ya bụ ozi ka o wereta ụmụnne anyị ndị ọzọ ntị. Ndewo na ụmụnne m, ka emesịanụ.